This strategy is made for MetaTrader 4. I have come up with this particular strategy so that you can trade profitably on MetaTrader 4. This is simple. I have simple indicator, and this is just single indicator on my chart with different setting. It is accurate. I will show you how to use this profitably. Now let us go ahead and analyze these indicators together. On my chart here, I have the first indicator here, which is the same indicator with this, but with different setting and with different time frame. I'm going to show you the setting as we move on. Now let us analyze these markets together. Let's go back a bit. Now at this particular point, we have the higher time frame indicator changed to red here for a sell. This was the exact point that is changed to sell at this particular point. And the lower indicator, this particular indicator too, did change color from white to pink at this particular point for sell. And this indicator, this will show on the current time frame. This is my current time frame is 15 minutes, and this indicator is for 15 minutes. It's calculating based on 15-minute time frame, and this is calculating based on higher time frame. It depends on the number you put on this indicator and what time frame you want to trade. You might decide to use M5 for the higher time frame or M15 for higher time frame, and you scalp on lower time frame like M1, and this will be on the current time frame. Now this is how I use this particular indicator. The main trend is this, telling us on the higher time frame the trend is down. So the only trade I'm going to take on lower time frame, I'm going to take sell. And at this particular point, I have the two indicators in agreement for a sell. And once you place your trade, your stop loss will just be few pips above the previous high while you ride the trend for a sell. And you find out that this did deliver well. It gave us a good run. And let's move forward a bit. So the only trade you'll be taking here is going to be a sell setup. And here we have the two indicators in agreement too for a sell. Though this did not go far, a stop loss will be few pips above the previous high here, and this was a jump. This was overnight, over the weekend, and this is not a good point to enter anyway. And when you move on a bit also, we have another confirmation here for a sell. So the only trade you are going to take, since we have the major trend is down, so we only take sell. So this buy setup here, when the indicators change to aqua color on the lower time frame, you are not going to take that particular trade. You only take this particular sell, and this did deliver well. And here we have another sell in confirmation of the major trend. And here we have another confirmation, and all these did deliver. This is just single indicator with different setting, and I'm going to show you the setting. I just want you to see how I use this profitably. Now let's check other pairs. This is New Zealand Japanese yen, and let's check it out on the gold. And on gold we have a buy setup here. This change to white, from red to white for a buy, and the current time frame, which are M15, this change also in agreement. So we have a buy confirmation at this particular point to go long, and this did give us a good run. So when you move forward a bit, we have another confirmation here to enter another buy, since the major time frame or the higher time frame is still pointing up, remain white. This is telling us this is actually going up. This is on gold, and when you check it on USD card, it's still the same methodology, and you find out that this strategy did deliver. We have set up at this particular point, and when you enter, we have few pips here, and later we have another sell setup. We have another sell setup here. Your stop loss will just be few pips above the previous high, and you ride the trend. So this is a good indicators for MetaTrader 4, and it did deliver. And here is another sell setup. You can use this on any time frame you want, depends on your setting. Now let me show you all the settings that are used for this particular strategy on MetaTrader. The first one is 30 minutes, the major trend here. This is the major trend on higher time frame. This particular white color and red, change from red to white on 30 minutes. So most of the time I use 30 minutes if I want to scalp on lower time frame, like 1 minute or 5 minutes, and sometimes I do use 1 hour. So if you want to trade, you are not a scalper, then you can change this value on 30 minutes. You can decide to use 4 hour if you are not a scalper. So this will work well for you also. These are the values, though I did include my template. Just check the video description and download it. And for the second one, I use current time frame. So any time frame you change to, you are going to see it's going to tell you what is going on that current time frame. So that's why I did not use either 1 minute. That's why the fact I may scalp on 1 minute or 5 minutes. So I use current time frame. So if I want to scalp on 5 minutes, it will show me what is going on 5 minutes, and if it's on 1 minute, it will show me what is going on the 5 minutes. So these are the values also. And if you want to use the third EMA, the third step NEMA also, you can add it to your chart. If you want to use H4, you can do the same thing, so that you have 3 moving averages here on your chart instead of 2. All depends on you. Make sure you play with it. The download links to all the indicators, all this single indicator that I use, and my template is in the video description. Make sure you download it. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and do not forget to trade on a regulated forex brokers. In my video description, I did drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check them out and register with anyone you like. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow forex trader, Joe, and bye for now.